the letter A. A is for apple. Pretend you're eating a yummy apple. Crunch. This is the letter B. B is for ball. Let's bounce like a ball. This is the letter C. C is for cat. Can you meow like a cat? This is the letter D. D is for dog. Let's do woof, woof, like a dog. This is the letter E. E is for elephant. Use your arm like an elephant's trunk. This is the letter F. F is for fish. Swim like a fish. Wiggle, wiggle. This is the letter G. G is for grapes. Do you like grapes? Say yes. This is the letter H. H is for hat. Let's put on a funny hat. Ta-da! This is the letter I. I is for ice cream. Pretend to lick an ice cream. Slurp, slurp. Yummy. This is the letter J. J is for juice. Pretend to drink juice. Sip, sip. Ah, so refreshing. This is the letter K. K is for kite. Pretend to fly a kite up in the sky. Whoosh! This is the letter L. L is for lion. Can you roar like a lion? Roar! This is the letter M. M is for monkey. Let's act like a monkey. Ooh, ooh. Ah, ah. This is the letter N. N is for nut. Pretend to crack a nut. This is the letter O. O is for orange. Pretend to peel an orange. Peel, peel. Smell it. Mmm. This is the letter P. P is for penguin. Let's walk like a penguin. Waddle, waddle, waddle. This is the letter Q. Q is for quack. Let's make a duck sound. Quack, quack, quack. This is the letter R. R is for rainbow. Use your hands to draw a big rainbow in the air. Swoosh! This is the letter S. S is for sun. Stretch your arms out big and bright. Shine like the sun. This is the letter T. T is for tiger. Show your claws and give a soft tiger growl. Grr. This is the letter U. U is for umbrella. Pretend to open an umbrella. Pop. Now hold it over your head. This is the letter V. V is for violin. Pretend to play a violin. Swoosh, swoosh. This is the letter W. W is for watermelon. Pretend to eat a slice of watermelon. Munch, munch. Yummy. This is the letter X. X is for Xmas tree. Pretend to decorate a Christmas tree. Hang, hang, hang. So pretty. This is the letter Y. Y is for yak. Make strong horns with your hands like a yak. This is the letter Z. Z is for Zebra. Run in place like a fast zebra. Tap, tap, tap.
Wow, you just saw all the letters from A to Z. Great job watching and learning. Now let's recap the alphabet together. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's go.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
H for hat.
H for hat.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for juice.
J for juice.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nut.
N for nut.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for penguin.
P for penguin.
Q for quack.
Q for quack.
R for rainbow.
R for rainbow.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for violin.
V for violin.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Wow, you finished the entire alphabet from A to Z. You learned, you repeated, and you played. Great job. Give yourself a big clap. Keep learning every day. Bye-bye.